There's activity down there playing football. Openda. Mbappe. He tries something special. The finish was just off there and it's wide. Martinez. Akanji wins it. Barella on this run. Quality defending there. Lovely passing here. Long throw. Now Dumfries. Martinez. The fans are on their feet. It's Thuram with the goal.
Oh, he'll be pleased with that effort. It'll do his confidence the world of good. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway.
And he's won it back for his team. He's up to full speed now. Will he go for glory? Martinez.
And we're back underway, but how will this team respond?
He's won the ball back.
He's read that one absolutely perfectly.
A poor ball there. He comes forward with the ball.
What a chance!
Put away.
That goal, his second of the match.
Openda.
He did well to win the ball back. Passing the ball really well.
Poor distribution from the player. Well, the fans think this game is over. It's 3-0, and we're only halfway through the match. Martinez. He got that all wrong. Lothar Matthäus. And back to the goalkeeper. Marcus Thuram.
Whipped in with pace.
Scintillating football. That goal was a true team effort. Lothar Matthäus. Marcus Thuram. That was a bad pass. Çalhanoğlu. He's through on goal, but can he finish it?
It's his hat-trick, and he claims the match ball. He keeps adding to his team's tally. It's becoming a rout.
Now it's Vinicius.
Lovely passing here.
Cucurella with the run. A missed challenge there.
The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break.
The ball's gone out of play.
Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. Well cut out.
Marcus Thuram. Will it go in?
Alisson, fantastic stop. That's good link-up play.
Çalhanoğlu. Good interception. Oh, that's a poor pass. Dominant performance. The fans are over the moon with that 5-0 scoreline. We're nearing kick-off. The fans are in their seats. A 5-2.
And the away team have gone with this formation.
Good control from Turan. He's through on goal, but can he finish it? Oh, there's no stopping that.
And it's a fantastic finish off the woodwork there, giving the goalkeeper no chance whatsoever.
Cristiano Ronaldo. The striker picks it up.
Alba with the tackle.
They're moving the ball forward. An expert tackle. He misjudged the pass. Some really fluid passing on display. He's running at the opposition. It's back with the goalkeeper. He's played it long. Ah, quality defending there. Akanji wins it. He's got the ball at his feet. Great dribbling. Good possession here. Martinez. Well struck. What a goal.
And he's found the back of the net. What a great goal.
He's knocked it long. Lovely passing here. He's moving fast with the ball. The fans are on their feet. He just mistimed that header. Oh dear, normally you would head those straight in. And it's back to the keeper. And he's looking, but the assistant's flag is down. And he's done it. 2 goals today from this exciting player. Some players will be glad to hear the half-time whistle. I don't think I've ever seen defending this bad. Surely the tie has been decided. Martinez. He's racing ahead with the ball. Surely now. And there it is. Goal. A deserved hat-trick. He's on another level. That's a goal he'll want to see again and again, and a short strike from this great player.